Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and on this channel, I like to share all my tips and tricks on how I lost 200 pounds on a ketogenic way of eating and how you can get started on your own keto weight loss journey. So if that's what you're looking for, don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the bell for more videos like this one to inspire you on your own keto weight loss. Hello, everyone. How are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel. On this video, I'm going to show you everything that I ate to maintain my weight on a ketogenic way of eating. Now, if that's not what you're looking for, if what you're looking for is weight loss tips and tricks and secrets, I'm going to link a playlist for you above right here for more information on what you can eat in order to lose weight. But if you're just curious of what I'm eating to try and maintain my weight on a ketogenic way of eating, well, this video is for you. Stick around and let's get to the food.
Hey everyone, it is Sunday morning and I am having my first meal of the day. It is 11 o'clock in the morning and I am having sausage gravy over regular chaffles. These chaffles are made out of 2 eggs, 40 grams of sour cream, 80 grams of mozzarella cheese, salt, and pepper. And the gravy is made from 2 ounces of cream cheese, 100 grams of Great Value Original Tube sausage, and 4 tablespoons of heavy cream. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it is, what day is it? I'm so lost. It's Monday, and I am having my first meal of the day. It is almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I am having I'm having blueberry chaffles with cream cheese topping. So 2 fried eggs, 113 grams of mozzarella cheese, 30 grams of sour cream, and 2 ounces of cream cheese basically, and 21 grams of blueberries, and 35 grams of center cut bacon, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's Monday night and I am having Italian chicken. So I have 155 grams of spaghetti squash, 1/2 cup of lucini marinara, 3 slices, they're 19-gram slices of mozzarella cheese, 5 ounces of chicken breast cooked in bacon fat with salt and nothing but the bagel seasoning, and 2 pats of butter, 2 tablespoons of butter. And then for dessert, I made myself homemade gummy bears out of gelatin and Mio, orange Mio, and then I've got 30 grams of Lily milk chocolate chips to go with them. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon on Tuesday, and I'm going to break my fast with my first meal of the day. Today I decided to kick it old school again, and I went back to pretty much my normal meal that I used to have. So today I just did 2 fried eggs and 4 pieces of Falls sausage, and then I cooked 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese in the pan and just rolled it up. So that's just fried cheese there in the middle. And then I have 100 grams of 5% Fage Greek yogurt with 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream and a squirt of Mio water enhancer. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's Tuesday night and I am having Italian chicken. I have 4 ounces of chicken breast on 155 grams of spaghetti squash with 1/2 cup of lucini marinara and 3 slices of Great Value mozzarella cheese and 1 tablespoon of butter. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's Wednesday morning, it is noon, and I am breaking my fast with my first meal of the day. I am having basically blueberry chaffles with cream cheese topping and 4 Falls brand sausages, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. Alright, I'm going to make sugar-free cranberry sauce, and what I'm going to do for the seasoning is I'm going to put an orange spice tea bag in the water for a minute and let it sit before I put the cranberries in to give it a cinnamon orange flavor. Yum yum. I am also going to put a capful of vanilla in there. Yum. And I've got 3/4 cup of water. I'll let that sit and simmer for a minute. Alright, now in go the cranberries. And I'm going to add in 1 cup of Swerve Confectioners. Sheesh, they're already popping. I haven't got it stirred up yet.
That's quite a mess. What can I say? Oops. Keep your string out. Taste test time.
Smells good.
Oh man. Tea bag was a good choice. That is really, really good. This is the tea I used. Orange and spice. Tastes just like wassail, guys. Don't know how many carbs is in it though, but it's good. Taking it out. Looks like it's about done. Hey everyone, here's my Thanksgiving meal. You can see I have Keto Connect sweet potato casserole, which is made with cauliflower and pumpkin and praline sauce. Then I have your awesome cauliflower mac and cheese, some gluten-free gravy that we made with xanthan gum and turkey drippings, some turkey, 2 deviled eggs, and some sugar-free cranberry sauce and olives. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. Guys, it's 6 p.m. and I'm going for Thanksgiving round 2. Leftovers. I'm having some more of this. This is the Keto Connect's sweet potato casserole with pecan sauce and just some turkey and xanthan gum gravy. And then I'm going to put on some sugar-free whipped cream. Yummy. Alrighty everyone, it's the day after Thanksgiving and this is my crazy post-Thanksgiving food. So I have the rest of my cauliflower sweet potato casserole that I made from Keto Connect, 2 of my deviled eggs, 4 Falls brand sausages, and 150 grams of 5% Fage Greek yogurt with lemonade meal water enhancer. That's going to be my first meal of the day. Everyone, it's Saturday, it's my birthday, and I feel like chocolate, so I am having chocolate coconut chaffles with Falls brand sausages and a cup of Creo brew with stevia and heavy whipping cream, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. Alright buddy, here I am on my birthday. I'm having a salad, and then, oh, I should have got out my wings I guess already. They're here somewhere. I got my tree. I'm having cake and ice cream and hot chocolate, but I'm going to have Creo brew and wings. That's going to be my last meal of the day. And a birthday cake. I've got a keto cake from keepingitketo.com and some Rebel strawberry ice cream, and that's going to be my dessert for my birthday. Well, there you have it. Everything I ate this week to maintain my weight on a ketogenic way of eating. Thanksgiving and birthday included. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you got some ideas for your own keto meal plan. If you're really looking to lose weight and you want to get started on your ketogenic journey, go ahead and check the links in the About section below, where I have a link to my Facebook group where I have a getting started guide that is there free of charge for you so that you can get started on your own keto weight loss journey. If you do not have Facebook, you can email me at ketochaos@gmail.com and I will send it to you completely free of charge, because I want everybody to be successful losing weight just like I've been able to do, and that is my mission for this channel. Alrighty, well thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you out. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you again soon.